Alright, I'm back from Mississippi, and they are dropping in the new crossing signal, I believe. They have also installed the new lights for the VTC. Looks like that's ready to go. And probably finalizing this one today, and more than likely replace this one here. You know, look pointed right in the right direction. Okay, so I take the drone up for a little closer aerial look. And again, I'm still confused about why they have the lights pointed the way they have. But signals are going in. Looks like they're doing the wiring to it. So they were pretty concentrated on that for quite some time. I did get some ground level of it, but again, I don't like to get too close to them when they're pointing a camera directly at them. So I'll do it from the air. But it looks like they're having some challenges here. But they eventually did get it installed, and it's been working properly for the last few days. So all are looking good with the signals. They had all these buses held up because the signal was on and the buses refused to go across until the signal stopped.